What is up, car lovers? In the previous videos we showed the disassembling of the left side in the front rotors and the calipers. We did the wire brushing and painting of the parts. And everything is back on. Just have to do the new brake pads in and everything. The refurbishing of the calipers with the new kit. The reassembling of these parts and the same for the right front side of the car. Zo werkt het niet zo.
Ja, je moet het zelf eten als je beurt.
Soms wel.
Ja, dan moet je stoppen.
And here is the end result. Everything is back on. And then we show the bleeding and the testing of the brakes. In this video, however, we finally are going to wash the car with a wash and wax product and do some final brake testing before putting it back under the dust cover for hibernation under the carport. Stay tuned. First of all, we sprayed the car with the garden hose to make it completely wet and to get rid of most of the dirt. It is important not to use the high pressure because that could make scratches while removing the sand. We use some wash and wax product, mix it with water, and that cleans and leaves a wax layer on the clear coat. We used two buckets, the red one to clean the fiber cloths and the white one with water and the product. And so we start washing with the soft fiber and the wash and wax. Regularly wash the fiber cloth in the red bucket to free it from sand and other scratching residues. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Hit the like button and the bell icon to get notification for every new video. and find us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Then we have to rinse off the foam before drying it with a fresh, clean fiber cloth. And now we are going to test the brakes again, because the new brake pads will need some time to get a good grip on the rotors. We have to do it here on the property because it has to pass the technical inspection first to go on the road. Up to the carport where it will hibernate under the dust cover. So, thank you all for watching, and I will see you very soon.